Okay, so this is your typical Nissan key fob, and the battery in this is dead. So to get to it, you basically push that up so you can take the key out. And then you kind of have like some edgings that you can kind of grab, some pry marks. This one has been replaced, I think, once before because it has some kind of like edging on it. And let's get a thinner screwdriver so we can get in there a little bit better. Sometimes it works with a wide one, sometimes it doesn't. So we'll just kind of get that, work that into some of these little edges here. And then you kind of twist, and then you run along the edge. Sometimes you got to kind of pry and get your nail in there. And then you can really start getting at the edging. And just kind of twist it. And then you'll eventually get that to open up. And then your battery is right there. So we'll pop that out. Again, also using a screwdriver. And kind of work it into the edge right here. And sometimes they're easy, sometimes they're a little stubborn like this one. There we go. So that's your old battery, and it is a C2032. So we have a replacement there. And then see this little metal clip right there? You want to kind of push it up underneath it, and it'll click right into place. And then again, push that back together, make sure everything lines up well. And then you'll kind of like snap into place. Put your key back in, and then you're good to go. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.